Hello, my dear friends of Symphonic Brass Music, and one more sorry, um, because yes, I didn't manage it to get out another video. Um, mm, Sorry for that, missed Sunday, but on the bright side, um, I came up with a new idea for a new format, which will take me a bit to get started because I already produced a bit, but it's crap and I want to do it all over again. And it only makes sense in a specific time frame. So I think of doing something new every Sunday and having these old talky videos stylish for every Wednesday. That's my plan. This will take me a bit to get back to rhythm, but I'll try my very best. Thanks very, very much for 1,000 subscribers. That's awesome. I'm gonna do the studio tour, but I want to do it properly. And for example, something like this is a great big mess, and I want to have it finished before I do the studio tour. So this will take me around a week, maybe two, to get out. Please stay patient with me. So, yeah, basically, I thought this would be done with like 3 or 4 days, and now it's a week. Basically, full-time working on that. Just a bit of audio stuff going on, like 1 or 2 hours a day max, and the rest is just here. It just takes way too long, way longer than I thought. It's great. I really like it. I like the idea, and I'm getting there, but it's way more work than I thought it would be. So I hope I'm done with this in like 2 weeks' time. I have a recording on this weekend, I have a recording on the next weekend. So I'm a bit busy, which is great, especially in these days. But that means that I thought I would be faster for doing better videos than I actually am. So sorry for that. Stay patient, stay with me. There will be new and better and different content because I really, really like the idea I'm gonna do. Because I haven't found something like that on YouTube yet. Maybe there is, but I don't know. And I like the idea, but I have to do it properly. So stay patient. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish that. It's getting great. It's really, really great. I like the view. I like just looking at this thing. It's already awesome. This is just so we see stuff. And I'm looking forward doing A/B with it. I can't properly do an A/B, but what we're gonna do is we put blanket in front of it, like an absorption material. Record some acoustic guitar right here where I'm standing, and then pull up the curtain and record the same guitar in the same configuration again, or maybe do the piano because the mics don't move that much. We will see how we're gonna end up with not changing the setup so it's a proper A/B thing. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do the new format, and I'm gonna do some talkie videos soon. I promise they will come out soon. As well, what is coming out soon, or as soon as I have this video done, is that there will be special content or early content on Patreon. So if you want to see my videos 2 days earlier than they come out on YouTube, check out my Patreon page, link in the description down below. There's this special access. There's also, I think I have it on Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon or both. I don't know because I have both. Check that out. Check Buy Me a Coffee as well out. There is a mixed review thingy where you send me a mix every 1 month and I say something about it and give critique to it so that you maybe get better, or hopefully get better in mixing, or get some professional feedbacks on your mixes. So check out that there's a ton of other stuff as well on Patreon and on Buy Me a Coffee. If you'd like to support me, just check that out. Links in the description down below. Patreon is coming on screen at the end screen, so that's sorted as well. What else? Yeah, thanks again for 1,000 subscribers. That's a huge number. Thanks. For me, it's a huge number. I know it's not a huge number for YouTube, but for me, it's a huge number. Really looking forward to this year. Seriously, I'm positive. I'm staying positive, and yeah, will be great. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. I don't know why these lights are flickering in my iPhone. I don't know, because they are not. And sometimes they are and sometimes they're not. But this is a static violet light. And I don't know why on my... Yeah, you see? I don't know why it's there, but it's not there. I don't know. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.